Good morning, everyone. Welcome to a new day of math. This is Math, Week 4, Day 2, Monday, 27th of April. Area. This is your to-do list for this session. The learning objective is to find the area of rectangles by counting squares. Squares. 1, 2, 3. Resources needed for this session are as follows. Pupil Book 4B, Unit 8, page 53, your notebook, your laptop, and a scanner. For a quick introduction to area, you can watch this video. Very helpful. Okay. Area is the amount of space or surface inside a given shape. We measure area in square centimeters. This is how we write it. If this is the shape that we're looking at, which is a rectangle, the area would be this space. Imagine each of these squares is 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. That means the area of each little square is 1 centimeter squared, just like the blue square. Can you find the area of the green rectangle by counting the squares? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and 32. So, the area of this rectangle is 32 centimeters squared. Can you find the area of this rectangle by counting the squares? Now, I'll let you do this at your own pace. Test yourselves. Going to skip through it. Alright. Here's a little game for you to try. And at the end of this lesson, if you can find the area of rectangles by counting squares, then you have got this under control. Wasn't that easy? Now let's see if you can solve your assignments. Your assignment is to solve the sheet that you have in the folder under the name Assignment 1, and then you need to solve Challenge 2, page 53 in your notebooks. When is it due? Today at 7, and you know how to send it. Thank you.